If our puppy enters a new environment and we act the same way in that new environment, we're playing the same games and our expectations are the same as an environment they're comfortable with, that's going to give our puppy a lot of confidence in that situation. That's kind of work in this predictable pattern that reinforcement is only really available between the words ready and all done. Session start cue, yes, yes, yes. And then her end cue. And you can see I disengage, I look elsewhere, I walk around a little bit.
Ready? Yes.
And as soon as she pushes me again, I give her that session start and we start again. She's just learning the hand touch. Apparently I just didn't teach it to her until now. But she catches on pretty fast. Right into the recall game, which is another one of her favorites. And this is how I can expand moving into different parts of the new environment. And then right back into that get it game, the treat toss game. And then, because she's looking really good, I can move into choose to heal.